There have been unprecedented events taking place in Mumbai since past 2 weeks, and a police commissioner coming in the media and telling that TRP fake case popped up, and a channel was named, which was which most people love to see, that is Republic. And when Republic proved it innocence, even after proving innocence, Mumbai police as well as the commissioner has been calling them for questioning, for interrogation, which I feel it's a kind of a torture, it's a kind of a harassment, and it is all because of a political vendetta.
See, going by what you tell me and what the reports have been coming in, the fact that there is tampering or coercing of witnesses, you know it is an actionable situation under the law. It is something which is obviously not desirable. What have we come to in a democracy if that is the case? That you actually have witnesses because you want to target a particular institution, and that too the free press. I am aghast at the idea that there could be such a thing in open eyes. If that is the case, action should be taken, I think, by all concerned in such a position. As I said, you have a position when you take a position in the country. For example, the Republic has taken or Arnab has taken. If you have any issue with that, fine, you disagree with it. But the question is, there can't be any question of taking a target and saying, I today will not allow you to continue with this because it is against my agenda. That cannot ever be the way a democracy unfolds.